Hi, I'm Ryan Blick, and welcome to another Hockey Factory Drill of the Week. This week, we have a 1-on-2 in-zone entry. The way the drill is going to start is X2 is going to start with the puck, and X3 is here. We have X1, X4, X5, X6. One of the things we're going to be focusing on here is both ends are going to be going at the same time on a whistle. So the drill starts, X3 pops out, comes up, X2 comes underneath and dishes the puck to X3. X1, meanwhile, is cutting down here and then catching a pass up ice from X3. X1 heads down the ice. Meanwhile, after these passes here, X2 and X3 are coming up to the neutral zone, into the blue line, and cutting over here. Meanwhile, when the whistle blows as these players are doing this, same thing's happening down here. X5 is coming under, X6 is going over, drop pass here, X4 is cutting through the middle, makes the pass up, X4 comes up ice. Now, after these players make the pass down here, same thing happens. These guys cut to the neutral zone, okay? Now, from there, what we're gonna be doing is X1 is cutting hard, X4 is cutting hard, and X5 is taking out X1, X6 is taking out X1 as well, X2 and 3 are attacking X4 down here. Okay. One of the big things we're working on with this drill is we're working on transitional IQ. X3, 4, 5, and 6, one of the things they're actually focusing on right now is going from an offensive breakout to all of a sudden like anticipating like a turnover and then jumping to defense in the neutral zone, going into their defensive zone. So it works on transitional IQ. The other thing we're focusing on right now is X1 and X4 are working on their creativity IQ. And creativity IQ is when they're going from a low contested area to a high contested area, such as this neutral zone, and then they're going to begin the high contested area when X5 and 6 and 2 and 3 engage. Things to focus on is gaining speed through the neutral zone if you're X1 and X4, because that way it's going to put the anglers back on their heels. We also want the X1 and X4 who are offensively playing here to try to find some soft areas because you have two players coming at you pretty hard. The other thing too is that if you're finding something you're out of options, we just want to make sure that X1 and X4 are getting the puck on net from a shot. That's if they have no other plays to make. Things they're also focusing on defensively here is X5 and X6, X3 and X2. They're also focusing on their angling, catching the proper speed, being aware of the speed that which X4 and X1 are coming into the neutral zone. We hope you enjoyed the drill.